Engine start.
Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So battery replacement ng Hyundai Getz 2007 model. So papalitan natin ang battery na 3 volt. So ang size ng battery ay 1220. Okay, so every 2 years or more than 2 years need to be replaced. So papalitan ko na yung aking susi ng Hyundai Getz. So ito yung tools na gagamitin natin. So screw bolts ng ating pambukas ng susi to open the key. Okay, so let's try. So subukan natin i-open, close and open the old battery. Okay, so sometimes are not working, so that's why I replacing this battery. Okay, so we need to replace for this situation because it's already for a long time, so almost 2 years, more than 2 years or 3 years, we need to replace as possible. Okay, so let's try and start. Okay, so let's open the key. Okay, so and let's open also the tools. Okay, so this is the key, having a light blinking here, so umiilaw. So we need to open the Phillips screw driver, a small Phillips screw driver. Okay, so using the small screw, so it's very old, so we need to clean. Okay, so let's open. Okay, using these tools, it's very easy to open, so we need a smaller screwdriver. Okay, so let's open like this. So open natin ganito. Okay, and other side, so make it easy like this. Okay, so be careful. So mag-ingat po tayo, baka matusok. So be careful to avoid to damage the chip. Okay, so ito na siya. This is the chip. Okay, so it still have 4 screw bolts, so we need to remove. Have an sticky or malagkit sticky adhesive inside of the outside of the chip. Okay, there are 4 screws we need to remove, smaller than outside. Okay, this is 4, so be careful to place in safest area, safest location. Okay, so this is the battery. So okay, before we remove, we need to check the battery size or number. Okay, so 1220. Okay, we need to double check so we can replace the battery. Okay, so this is Energizer replacement battery. The original is Panasonic, so this is stock from original manufacturer. Okay, from dealer. Okay, so let's remove. So be careful, so make it easy and not rush the job. Okay, so remove. So don't forget what the position of the battery. Okay, so let's open the new one. So let's go and we can compare the old one and new one. Okay, so we can go in another place because it's already dark outside. Okay, so let's go inside in the house and we can show the name of the battery, also the part number. So this is the part number. So we need to go to brighter lights. Okay, so this old battery is need to be replaced as possible, so it's required every 2 years or more than 2 years. Okay, so that's why I need to replace. So we are now in house because it's too dark outside. Okay, so this is the new one. So can you see the part number or the battery size? This is the old one, Panasonic, so CR1220. Okay, so all the same. Okay, so we can install now the battery. Okay, so be careful, same process, same position, so like that. So we need to check the level of the battery. Okay, make sure that is positive, outside showing plus. Okay, so we can cover now the battery. Okay, so make it easy and relax while you holding the chip. Okay, so just tight slightly and not too strong. Okay, so there are only 4 screw bolts to tight this chip. Okay, so we need to control the torque according to your estimate torque in your hand, so be careful. Okay, so we are almost done. So okay, we need to double check everything, so we can install now. Okay, so we have cover, so please double check before you install. Okay, so make it sure it's all is good. Okay, so we install the cover, so let's tight the bolts into the key. This is the last one, screw bolt for external screw. Okay, okay, so just like this to install the battery. Okay, so exactly you can estimate the torque of the small screw, not too tight. Okay, so for safety. So alright, we are all done, so we can try outside in the car to switch lock and unlock. Okay, so here's the key, so let's press. Okay, unlock. So 2 times lights blink, that is unlock, that is lock. Okay, so let's try again. Unlock, lock. If you can see, the blinking light is blinking while you press the button. Okay, so just like this. Alright, so that's all. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.